Here we go. Sharni's gonna, no, by the tail.
Oh.
Just, that's it. By the body of the tail. There he goes. Swim off into the thing. He's shoveling his hand. There we go. Get my shadow out of the way. And just see him go. See you around, buddy. Thanks for snapping the rod. Good job I got a replacement.
Have you?
Yeah. There he goes.
Man, that was so much fun.
There you
I
go.
couldn't pull it in.
Well, you just got to play it. Told you.
I just panicked
I know.
and called, whoa!
Well, not only that, you panic to try and pull him in. It don't work like that.
I don't know what to do.
But there you go. It's not really that deep here either.
No,
And
it's not.
it's only about.
I seriously didn't think I'd catch it in.
It's only about thigh deep at the most, where that came from. So we're in a beautiful little bay.
Protected from the wind. Not that there really is much more.
Yeah. There we go. Let's see what else we can get.
Oh, another one. Well, not one of those. I want something I can eat.